President Kathleen Novak, Your Highness, distinguished guests, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, religious and educational leaders. Not long ago, the gardens and churches of this neighborhood were a refuge for families fleeing the savagery of terrorism. All around us, Christians, Yazidis, and other groups from the Nineveh Plain and elsewhere took shelter as their homes and communities were overrun by a menacing force that threatened to shred our way of life. عەنکاوە was a regional epicenter for the fight back against ISIS in 2014. And ever since then, it has been a place where hope and coexistence has re-emerged. Hungary was one of many nations which responded to the pressing humanitarian calls of those dark times. And I am very pleased President Novak is here with us today. Hungary's efforts to support displaced communities remain very much recognized in the KRG. During that time of suffering, we offered sanctuary to more than 2 million people from Iraq and Syria who were nourished and protected by our government and society. We could not have done that without the backing of our friends in the international community, and it gives me pleasure to thank you and the people of Hungary, Madam President, for the support you gave us in our collective time of need. The fruits of those efforts are clear. Look around عەنکاوە. You will find a flourishing community of new cathedrals, bustling shops and people who are rebuilding their lives free from tyranny. عەنکاوە and the alchemy of coexistence that thrives here is a community that is a source of pride to us all. Today, we celebrate the establishment of Méltó International School here in عەنکاوە. I would like to thank the Hungarian government for their efforts in supporting education in the Kurdistan region. My government has prioritized this crucial sector as I believe it is the backbone for building a stronger Kurdistan. Just 2 days ago, I was pleased to participate in the groundbreaking ceremony for the British International University in Erbil, another major step in developing the skills of our people. These are the types of projects I strongly encourage, and you have my government's full support. Ensuring access to world-class education is a top priority for my government as we build on our commitment to become a knowledge nation. The power of learning, of critical thinking, and academic development is transformational. Knowledge and the empowerment to act on it will be the essence to our future growth and the development of our society. It is the best form of investment in our youth. Our students and future graduates must have the skills to compete for jobs both here and abroad. A well-equipped nation can tackle the pressing issues of today and tomorrow. A nation of pioneers can lead with the next innovative idea. I am confident that we will continue building a well-educated society that will help achieve this goal through startups, innovation, and more. We very much hope that the school we are inaugurating today will serve as a building block for our society and for communities elsewhere in the region. Our Christian brothers and sisters have the same needs and aspirations as us, and we will always welcome partnership in knowledge and learning. As part of our knowledge evolution, we have moved to ensure that standards in our education to ensure that our standards in our education sector are high. This year, we established the country's first national accreditation body, which will partner with international accreditation agencies to underpin a higher level of learning and training. We have the confidence to do a lot more, and we will. The human capital of our people is largely untapped and remains as a vast resource. Education and knowledge are the linchpins of all that we will go on to do. The future is here for the taking. Madam President, we thank you for your visit to Erbil and for your country's investment in the future of the people of our region. My government gives you a commitment that your money has been well spent. You have changed the lives of scores of people already. Thank you again.